Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 9 captive screws in the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Lift the battery cable up to unplug it from the motherboard. Flip the device over and open it up. And remove 4 screw covers from the bezel. Remove 4 4mm screws from the bezel. Gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover and slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. Remove 4 3mm screws from the LCD panel. Lift the panel up and lay it down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Plug the LCD cable into the new panel and replace the tape. Lay the panel back into place and replace the 4 3mm screws. Replace the bezel and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 4 4mm screws back into the bezel. And replace the 4 screw covers. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 9 captive screws in the bottom cover.